Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking that your device and iOS support Face ID because software compatibility prevents setup otherwise. Next, restart the phone to clear transient sensor faults. Once done, remove any case or protector and clean the true depth camera area to eliminate dirt that blocks infrared. You do this because the system needs an unobstructed view and fresh initialization. After restarting and cleaning, go directly to Settings so you can run the first Face ID setup attempt without delay. Now you reset Face ID in Settings to remove corrupted profiles and begin a new enrollment. This is the key actionable step to recalibrate the depth map. Make sure you update iOS beforehand because many Face ID issues are fixed in system updates that adjust sensor algorithms. When enrolling, do it in moderate, even lighting and hold the device about 10 to 20 inches away, rotating your head slowly so the true depth system captures full facial geometry. Once enrollment completes, test with lock and apps. For final steps, you inspect for hardware damage. Small cracks or misaligned frames can block the infrared sensor, so visually check and gently press around the screen edges for lifting. If hardware looks fine but issues persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset because a clean system rules out deep software corruption. If Face ID still fails after a reset, make sure to contact an authorized service provider for true depth camera repair. Hardware faults are common and often require replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.